Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you how I made this pocket letter. I'm participating in #Lovesummerart. Basically what this means is that a bunch of us creative souls who put out content on YouTube got together and decided that we want to collaborate and make beautiful stuff to inspire you all. So you can check out other videos like mine, just type in #Lovesummerart in your search bar on YouTube and you'll see other beautiful art and craft videos. This event is running from 17th till 20th of July. First, I chose my background and I did this with double-sided cardstock. It's by Craft Sensation. You can do this on any cardstock that you love. I'm measuring out my cards for my pocket letter now. Once they're all cut, I can move on to my birds. You'll see me stamp them on white cardstock that's 120 grams. And once they're all stamped and dry, I will move on to the foreground of my pocket letter cards. So right now I'm masking off the area that I'm going to work on. And now I'm taking my distress inks. It's broken china, spiced marmalade and worn lipstick. I swear I'm in love with this medium. You can do so much with them. If anything, you have to invest in these because these are just gorgeous. The color is gorgeous and as I said, you can do so much with it. Right now you'll see me, I will create pretty cool foreground for my pocket letter cards, and I'm doing that by just stamping my pad on my acrylic block, wetting it with water and stamping it on my paper. And you'll see me do that just a couple of times, and this creates like splotches, and I really love how natural it looks, how artistic it looks, and how vibrant the colors are. You'll see what I mean in just a few seconds. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on and just quickly dry it with my heat gun and move on to my birds. And now I'm going to do the same technique with my birds. If you think I'm crazy, bear with me, the results will be stunning. So now I'm going to cut my foreground into cards, and that's basically the same measurement as with my background. And if you don't know the measurement, you can see it in the description box below my video. Okay, and now I'm cutting out the birds. I'm just fussy cutting them, but without the small details. I will show you a neat technique that will add those small details without having you fussy cut them and without all the frustration that goes into it. So once I've cut them, I will go around them with my Sharpie marker, and this will remove all the little mistakes that I made when I was cutting them. What I also did was I stamped the image once more, just their faces, and cut out the eyes and pasted them to the birds. This way they're not covered with paint. And now you see me doing this neat trick that I told you about. Okay, so first I'm stamping the image to the background, and then I'm adhering the image that I've already pre-cut to that image that I've stamped. And this gives me all those fine little details back. I love this technique. And you'll see me do this for all the birds. So now we have our background, and let's move to our foreground. And now I'm arranging all the cards in the order that I want them to sit, and I will die cut a window in them. Just wanted to take a minute and say how much I love these crazy birds. I think they fit perfectly into the hashtag Lovesummerart, because it looks like they were playing artists and they were playing with lots of paint, and some of them are proud of their work, like this little guy in the left corner, and some of them just aren't, and they are really disappointed with themselves. And I think that's how many of us feel. Sometimes you do something and you're like, wow, that's great, I love it, and sometimes it's like, whoa, that's a major fail. So, you know, whatever you do, I applaud you for it, because if you've done something great and if you've done something that's not so great, you still have done it, and you still know, okay, this medium is for me and this medium is not for me. And right now I'm into pocket lettering, and I have loads of other ideas, and maybe they won't turn out as great as this pocket letter, but still I'm going to try them. So right now you see me adhering my stickers, and you can still download them at happymamajama.com. I will leave you the link below this video. And now I'm just moving on and seeing what I can put in the pocket letter, but I still had the problem with about me. That window was empty and I didn't know what to put there, and I decided on a girl that looks a bit like me. She has short hair and I love her style. She's like this vintage girl, and that's what I've adhered in that window. So overall, this is how it looks like. So now it's just a matter of assembling everything together, and later on you will see me creating mail tag for this pocket letter. And I just have to say that I love the double-sided cardstock that I have chosen for the background, because I don't need to create the backside of those pocket letter cards. If you like this video, hit the like button below, and of course subscribe to my new channel. There will be loads and loads of other crafty, DIY, pocket letter, card making, beautiful, inspiring videos. And also Visit my new sparkly new website, craftmadesimple.com. There will be loads and loads of giveaways there. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a lovely day, and until next time, bye! For more close-ups and fun giveaways, visit craftmadesimple.com.